Good morning and welcome back to another adventure. So it is currently like 7 a.m. and I just woke up. So let's get started with our day. I start my morning with making lunch for work. Yay. And I always have peanut butter and jelly. So let's make some PB&J. So I just packed my lunch. I have some snacks and my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So after I make lunch, I start with breakfast. And recently I've been eating lots of cereal. So that's what we're gonna have for breakfast today. Ow. I just finished making lunch for the day and just had breakfast. Right now I'm gonna change out of my comfy Taylor Swift pajamas into my lessons outfit. So I just changed. I just wear some like workout clothes to lessons because they're outside and in the sun and it gets really hot. So right now I have to brush my teeth and then put on shoes and we'll be out the door. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's go brush my teeth. Let's go. So right now I'm in the car and I'm headed to dive lessons. And if you don't know, dive lessons are where myself and a teammate of mine, Sammy, give dive lessons to like younger children, and it ranges from anywhere when they can learn to swim to I think 18. I'm not really sure, but just so you know, we get $30 per kid, and the sessions are Monday through Thursday for 2 weeks. And we have 2 sessions. Ours go from 8 to 8:40 and then 8:45 to 9:25. But as you saw, I grabbed all my stuff and I try and pack my bags the day before and save on time in the morning so I can kind of sleep in like a few minutes. But honestly, a few minutes could mean a lot. So I have my change of clothes for work in here, and then I have my stuff for practice in my dive bag. Anyway, right now I'm making the 15-20 minute drive, depending on traffic, to lessons. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you at the pool. Okay, so I just made it to the pool, and it's like really sunny and hot out right now, so I'm just gonna put my hair up so I don't have to do it later. But we have like 5 minutes before I need to go in, and some of the kids just got here, so I might go in early. Anyway, let's take some water before we go in. Gonna have a great day. Remember to stay hydrated. We can go in. Let's grab my stuff. So I finished lessons, which was fun. We had a very exciting day actually. A lot of people got new dives. We got to go on the rock wall, which everyone loves. And this is normally the most stressful part of my day because I have to make a really quick change into my work attire. So I'm just wearing this dress. I got thrifting. Very proud. I think it was 79 cents. So go me. Yes, but right now I'm making like the 35-minute drive to work. So this is my like time to kind of like relax and like chill before work. Yes, but this is the most stressful part of my day. From going from lessons to work, because I have to be at work at like 10, and since like we get done at 9:25, but the kids normally go till like 9:30, and so then I have to make a really quick change into my work attire and then get in the car and start driving to work. So I normally get there around like 9:58 so I can like clock in, and I get paid I believe $10.25. I know it's $10. I think it's 25 cents an hour, I think. And I work Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I work from 10 to 2:30 because I have to leave work at 2:30 to get to practice around 3, because that's when practice normally is, around 3:15. So that gives me time to get to the pool or to get to belts to change, and so it works out really well. I'm a receptionist at my local YMCA. I answer the phone. This is what I say. Thank you for calling the Y. This is Sarah. How may I direct your call? Yeah, it's so cool. So if you ever call the Y and you hear my voice, it's most likely me until school starts, in which case I won't be having this job because I can't work 10 to 2:30 because I have school. Hashtag senior year. Woo! See you when I get there. I made it to work. This is my name tag. And right now I'm going to be working on my AP government packet. Halfway through the day. It's lunchtime. So our fun is not over yet. Even though I just clocked out of work, I am right now headed to practice. And although I don't make money from practice, I do plan to go to college for diving. So it's like a job, you just don't get paid till like the very end. Yay! Practice! Hey guys, Auntie Kim back at it. I love being in the vlogs. Never a dull moment in the vlog. We're currently at practice. Coach is up against the rock wall. We're all just powwowing it up. We haven't powwowed in a really long time. This is great. Sarah basically grinded this morning. We're gonna go just grind again because it never stops, never stops. She's about to do a front double pike. Let's get it. Woo! So we had a great practice, and right now I'm headed home because I'm hungry and need food. Yay! So we're pretty tired and it's getting late and we have a big day tomorrow, so I'm going to end the vlog here. But quickly, I wanted to say that while this is a video about making money, I also wanted to let you know that I also volunteer my time at my local SPCA as well as dive lessons. While yes, I make money from them, I also do them where I just volunteer and I'm not making money off of some sessions. And I just want to put that out there because I think it is very important to volunteer, and if you can give back to your community, I would really recommend it. Even if it's just like a beach cleanup with some friends or family, I would definitely recommend it. You feel so good after. And I just love being with our kids for dive lessons. They're all so sweet and willing to learn new things in diving and grow confidence. So that is amazing. And I just feel great after our lessons. And yeah, so this is the end of this vlog on a side note. But if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. You already know the drill. And I'll see you next time. Peace.